Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about side hustle ideas to make extra money in 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. Good news, you don't have to quit your full-time job to earn a little extra money or start a business. Below, we share side hustle ideas that can legitimately be done while you're working traditional or non-traditional hours. Whether you simply want to bring in a little money for Christmas gifts this year, or you want to start something that has the potential to turn into a full-time gig later on, these are the golden tickets. What is a side hustle? Simply put, side hustle is an evolved term for making extra money outside a salaried day job or part-time job. For many, it has become a new way of life. With an online side hustle, you do not have to commute or, for that matter, leave your home at all. Depending on the side hustle of your choice, you just need a working device and a reliable internet connection. This enables you to have complete control of your time and schedule. 1. Proofreading. Proofreading is one of the strongest and most popular side hustles in 2022. This job is perfect for those who love freelance writing with solid grammar and language skills. Proofreading is a bit lighter than editing. Editing is usually performed before proofreading, as editors focus on other text elements. When proofreading, you are explicitly looking for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Yes, many websites can fulfill this duty on a surface level. Still, with the rise of businesses wanting to expand their online presence, including website launches, blogs, and social media, companies look for freelance writers and proofreaders to ensure quality content. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr, where you find excellent side hustle opportunities for freelance writing, are also great places to look for good money in proofreading. The best way to think about proofreading is to get a second pair of eyes on a piece of content. 2. Virtual assistant. The job of an online virtual assistant can vary from administrative work to bookkeeping. Everyday tasks a virtual assistant can do include scheduling appointments, making phone calls, responding to emails, coordinating travel arrangements, data entry, and more. If you have good communication skills, customer service experience, and extra time to help new or busy business owners, this can be an easy way to make extra money from home. 3. Create an online course. Do you have an area of expertise, so much so that you can teach others about it? Creating an online course can give you extra money and even passive income. Online learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable have transformed the educational world by teaching every skill you can think of, with the potential for certification at the end. These platforms provide opportunities to promote your courses and give a sense of security to their customers. If you choose not to put your courses on a platform and want to sell them yourself, social media has opened up many doors for you to sell your courses to your followers. This enables you to make passive income. You must create the course and sell it digitally multiple times. 4. Online tutoring and teaching English. The pandemic made it easy for educators to make a lot of money tutoring and teaching English online. Students were not in a classroom, so many needed extra help and were able to receive it virtually from licensed professionals. Another perk to this side hustle is that teaching English online can be open to individuals all over the globe in different time zones, enabling online tutors to make money at all hours of the day. Online tutoring may be a good option if you have a niche besides teaching English and can help others practice it. 5. Start an e-commerce store. The industry of e-commerce has been on the rise. E-commerce stores have many perks like drop shipping, easy-to-use interfaces, digital payment exceptions, no retail storefronts, and 24/7 product availability. Many platforms, like Shopify and Amazon, provide an online storefront for your e-commerce store and educate you on how to open your online store, manage transactions, build your brand, and more. Additionally, for more niche markets, you could try Etsy and eBay, or even start your e-commerce store with site hosting services like WordPress. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.